Good morning, boys and girls. All the students of 9th class A and C. Last period we learned regarding current electricity. That is current electricity, potential difference. Free electron and free electrons, how they are randomly rotated in metal. Now today to this period we are learning resistance and Ohm's rule. So what is resistance? Resistance means to oppose or to become a hurdle. विरोध म्हणजे विरोध करणं किंवा अडथळा निर्माण करणं. Suppose you are participated in running. Number of students are running in playground. You are running on the playground and want to take a minimum time. When you are running, and that time any person or any animal comes in your way, on your way, then automatically your speed is come down. This is the hurdle. This is the opposite to your speed. ज्या वेळेला तुम्ही मैदानावरून जोरात पडण्याचा सराव करता, बरेच विद्यार्थी या ठिकाणी असतात आणि तुम्ही ठरवलेलं असतं ठराविक वेळेमध्ये आपण एवढं ठराविक अंतर पळून दाखवायचं, पूर्ण करायचं. पण ज्या वेळेला तुम्ही सुरुवात करता त्यावेळेला अचानक एखादी व्यक्ती किंवा एखादा प्राणी त्या ठिकाणी आडवा येतो आणि आडवा आल्यामुळे तुमची जी गती आहे गती कमी होते, त्याला रोध म्हणायचं. सो ॲज लाईक this is also happens in conductor. Which are these conductor? These are the conductor. The electrons are an electric supply, electric current is supplied to them. They are accidentally comes upon each other. So immediately their speed comes down. त्याचा वेग कमी होतो त्या अडथळा निर्माण झाल्यामुळे, आणि this is called as resistance. Then what is resistance? In any conductor, the electric current is flows in potential difference, and these are the electric current in potential difference with V, and they are proportional to each other. Then I is equal to, that is electric current is equal to K upon V, K into V. By that, this K is a constant term. It is not changing. I am taking K to another side. I upon K is equal to V. You know that I is the unit of current electricity and V is the symbol or unit of potential difference. So I am converting I into 1 upon K is equal to V. and this 1 upon K is noted as R. It is R is the resistance, that is I into R is equal to V. I am changing the sign. It is R is equal to V upon I, and this equation is known as Ohm's rule. That is, resistance is inversely proportional to potential difference. Resistance is proportional to potential difference and also inversely proportional to electric current, and this is called as Ohm's rule. Then in SI unit, the unit of resistance is ohm, and this is noted as a symbol. How they are calculated? By the angle 1R is equal to P 1V upon 1R, and you know that in this volt and ampere, the unit of volt is volt and current is the ampere, and this is called as the P upon A means ohm. So the unit of resistance is ohm. Now what is known as resistance in ohm? 1 ohm. एक ओम रेजिस्टन्स म्हणजे काय याची माहिती घेऊया आपण. Any conductor, if the 1 ampere current is supplied, 1 ampere if current is supplied in the 1 volt, any conductor is supplied, if 1 ampere current flows through the conductor in 1, potential is called as 1 ohm. एखाद्या वाहकामधून 1 एम्पियर विद्युत धारा प्रवाहित होण्यासाठी जर एक विभवांतर प्रयुक्त करत असेल तर त्याला 1 ओहम असं म्हटलं जातं. Then what is the resistance? How resistance occur? Wide angle, suppose this is the conductor, and you already know there are number of atoms and it contains number of electrons randomly moves in different directions. When electric current is provided to them, then they are moved from high potential to low potential, and that time they are hammering on each other. ते एकमेकांवरती आदळतात, and that time the temperature is increased of that metal. So this hurdle is opposing to the flow of electron, and this is called as the resistance of that material, resistance of that conductor. And this is how to calculate the resistance of any conductor. and on which content these are related or depends. वाहकामध्ये इलेक्ट्रॉन गतिमान असतात आणि ते कोणत्याही दिशेनं या ठिकाणी डायरेक्शन मध्ये फिरत असतात. ज्या वेळेला आपण याला विद्युत धारा पुरवतो ते वेळेला ते एका गतिमान होत असताना ते एकमेकांवर आदळले जातात आणि त्या ठिकाणी त्यांच्या फ्लोला विरोध होतो आणि विरोध झाल्यामुळं त्या ठिकाणी ती थोडीशी उष्णता त्या ठिकाणी तयार होते. म्हणजे विद्युत प्रवाहाला विरोध करणारा जो घटक असतो कोणती स्थिती असते त्या स्थितीला रोधकता असं म्हटलं जातं. Then resistance depends upon the length of the conductor. Then time, how much electricity is supplied or flowing in that conductor, and how much electricity, that is ampere, or this is the cutting part, काट छेद. वायर जाड आहे, पातळ आहे, त्या केसाप्रमाणे एकदम लहान आहे, त्याच्या काटछेद म्हणजे जाडीवर अवलंबून असते आणि त्याला म्हणायचं एरिया ऑफ रेजिस्टन्स. So now then this resistance is proportional to length of the conductor. Then also resistance is proportional to 1 upon A, काटछेद अवलंबून असतो. Here is the resistance proportional to length of conductor. Resistance is proportional to the area of conductor. Then R is equal to R proportional to L upon A. That is R is equal to P into L upon A. Why then the speed is also constant. That is R is equal to P into L upon A, and this is called as the resistance. P is a constant and this is the respectively resistance of material, and this is also known as how they are calculated. It is ohm meter. Why the meter? The unit of resistance is ohm and the length of the resistance is in meter. This is ohm meter. The unit of resistance is ohm meter. So why like that? Now we are studying the electric circuit. विद्युत परिपथ म्हणजे काय आपण पाहणार आहे. आपल्या वर्गामध्ये लाईट आलेली आहे. हे परिपथ पूर्ण किंवा आहे बघा. ज्यावेळेला आपण बटन दाबलं जातं त्यावेळेला आपल्या वर्गामधला बल्ब प्रज्वलित होतो आणि बटन बंद केलं की तो बल्ब विझतो. हे असं का होतं तर ड्यू टू कंप्लीशन ऑफ सर्किट. आणि इन दिस सर्किट this is the conductor, positive and this is negative. This is conductor. The electricity is measuring in ammeter is called as ammeter, and there is connected resistance in one series, and the potential difference is calculated in volta. That is volt is called as voltmeter, and this is connected with one switch to start and to stop the electric flow, current flow, and this circuit is called as electric circuit. That is ammeter, voltmeter, battery, switch are connected to conducting wire and is called as electric circuit. And this electric circuit is generally are completed in our home or in structure of mechanic, electric motor and number of the home appliance, that is domestic circle, fridge, इस्त्री याच्यामध्ये एखादा जर यातला भाग जर कट जर झाला तर इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट कट झाला आपण म्हणतो. त्यामुळे आपल्याला लाईट लागलेली किंवा ती वस्तू चालू दिसत नाही. त्यावेळेला मेकॅनिकल आणून त्या वेळेला त्या आपल्या वस्तू आपल्याला क्लिअर करावे लागतात. सर्किट पूर्ण झालं की त्या वस्तू चालू होतात. आता नाउ वी आर लर्निंग अबाउट कंडक्टर अँड नॉन कंडक्टर. Conductor and non-conductor. Already this conductor and non-conductor you are learned. Conductor in Marathi it is called as suvahak, and non-conductor means visamvahak. I am saying you definition. If the resistance is minimum to minor or small, these are called as conductor. And if the resistance is major, just असतो or high in nature, this is called as non-conductor. एखाद्या पदार्थामध्ये किंवा वस्तूमध्ये जर रोध कमी असेल किंवा नगण्य असेल तर ती वस्तू सुवाहक असते. ज्या वस्तूमध्ये रोध जास्त असतो किंवा भरपूर असतो त्या वस्तूंना किंवा त्या पदार्थाला विसंवाहक असं म्हटलं जातं. then what are the good conductors and what are the non conductors? Why can you already know them? The conductors like metals like iron, aluminium, copper, zinc, gold, silver, these are conductors. But generally in our routine life, aluminum and copper are generally used as the good conductor. Then what are the non-conductors? White envelope, paper, कागद, cotton, कापूस किंवा क्लोथ्स, कपड्यापासून ह्याच्यापासून बनवलेले क्लोथ्स जे असतात, कपडे, नंतर वूड, वाढलेलं लाकूड, प्लास्टिक, इज ऑल्सो बॅड कंडक्टर. प्लास्टिक, then also glass, these are the bad conductors or non-conductors. So today we learn about the resistance, Ohm's rule, then resistance, the power of resistance, conductor and non-conductor. Then the units of resistance and also good conductor and bad conductor, that is conductor and non-conductor. So boys and girls, today we are stopping here. Then we will continue another part, another unit in next period. Good day to all of you.